Welcome back to another video. Today, like I said, we're going to install the screen. It's about time. I've been wanting to do this for quite a while. I have the screen in the back. See, I don't know if y'all can see it. Right back there. Yeah. I was getting tired of this little 4-inch screen. Damn! Like, my phone's literally bigger than this. But yeah. We went to Home Depot and AutoZone this morning, picked up a few tools. I believe I need this one right here. Oh, hold up. This one right here. Yeah, I'm all set and ready to go. I'll try to record bits and pieces of the process, but I'll show y'all the finished product at the end. Those clips right there were so difficult to come off. Look at that. Sheesh. Yeah, slowly but surely coming along. Let's see if I can set y'all over here. Please don't fall. I know y'all can't see me. That might be perfect, actually. See the camera? Right there, better. So it should be able to come off. Can't do both. Shoot. I don't know why I'm not going to stop recording. I got space here. Taking this out and this out. Yeah, you got that. I hope they're all the same. Where did you put the other two?
These two?
Yeah.
Right here.
A lever. 1, 2, 3.
What's coming on?
This part right here. 1, 2, 3. So we are almost done. We finished transferring all the buttons from the old screen to the new one. And then we got all the wiring in. Now we just need to connect it back to the car. Alright guys, it is now the very next day and we are still on the same project. I'm not about to hold y'all, bro. So the wiring was different from how so this is not sync 3 or sync 2. It's not sync at all. So the wiring's a lot different from how the other videos on YouTube be explaining it. So I just been trying to figure it out on my own. And I think I'm making progress. See right down here. For the people who are also on YouTube having the same problem as me, look. I took out the CD. I don't know if y'all can see. I cut the tape that's back here so I can bring out the CD more. And then these two wires right here, I guess you have to connect up with harness piece right here. Y'all know what this do. Like, I don't need to explain. Y'all know what that do, but you're gonna connect those two to this two, and then yeah. Alright, let's get to it. Hopefully this works, cause I ain't trying to be on this any much longer, bro. Alright, let's go. Slowly but surely. Now we just gotta connect up the radio down here to these plugs, and then if everything's running smooth, we're good to go. But if not, nah, I'm messing with y'all. But yeah, let's go. It's running, everything's running good. We haven't fully connected it back up, but yes, sir. Right. Perfect, perfect. I'm gonna go more in detail after I connect everything back up. All right, look. After like 2 damn days, I finally installed it. I'm not gonna lie, we ran into a lot of complications, but it's okay, we got through it. Look, the finished product. It looks pretty good, not gonna lie. There are some downsides to it though. Like for example, my factory USB port do not work. And also, what was it? USB port and my backup camera. My backup camera do not work. So I do not know exactly how to fix that. But if any of y'all know how to deal with that, or is in the same situation I'm in, let me know. Comment down below. Yeah. Hey, but I got Carplay now. That's cool. Yeah, I'll catch you on a bit. Bro, I've been out here for so long, I'm starving.
Okay.
But I really wanted to get the screen done, which I did. As y'all can see. Oh. So, probably another day I'm gonna go in depth and give y'all a really good review on how the screen is, how it's performing. And yeah, but if y'all are really down to see that, just let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Let's go.